Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to install the MySQL database in your local system, and I'll show you how to create a sample database. Let's get started. Search for mysql.com. You will be landed to this page and select from the second tab option here. Click on downloads. Clicking on it, it will be landed to this page. You can see MySQL Community Edition. Click on MySQL Community GPL downloads. You can see here download page. Now you can do first clicking on MySQL to install for Windows. Now you can do now you can select this option, like second option, latest version downloads. I already downloaded this version, so I'm not downloading, and I just click on no thanks, just start my downloads. After that, you just need to go to your downloads and double click on MySQL installer. It will take some time to install and configure. Click on yes. MySQL installer has been started. So here it will be ask us to select the setup type. We need to select custom setup type and click on next. After this, you need to add the products that need to be installed. Click on the first option, MySQL server. Click on the MySQL server. Click on the plus option again, and you need to select this one and first option and move to right side, which is the latest version. You need to move to right side, and you need to click on the application, MySQL Workbench. Click on the MySQL Workbench 8.0, and here you can select the 8.0.47 option, my latest version, and move to the right side. That will show the product need to be installed, and click on MySQL as well. Here you can select the latest version 8.0.46. After this, click on next, and you just need to start all these product installations. So click on execute, one after the other it will start getting it installed. It's getting installed, you can see here. And this class, and I need to select agree and install. Close, and all three installation done. Click on next, and all three installation ready to install. Click on execute. It will take some time to install all these servers in our local system. MySQL Workbench will take some more time to install than the MySQL server and MySQL shell, because it needs to be get loaded all the internal library packages, the support to execute the MySQL queries, so it will take some more time. You can see the details of installation. MySQL Server 8.0.46 latest version has installed completed. Workbench also having the latest version installation is completed. MySQL shell has also having the latest version. The installation has been completed. We will be clicking on next now, and you can see MySQL Server 8.0.46 is ready to configure. You need to click on next now, and you can see development computer and local port number as 3306. It is fine for us, and we are clicking on next, and use a strong password encryption for authentication recommended. Now we are going to agree with this and clicking on next. Here we can see account roles. As per account roles, we need to set the password. I'm going to use my old password. Let it be. It's in my system. It going to be the user as well. Your name is admin. I will be the admin having. Okay, that is clearly admin. Even I'm clicking on next. MySQL 8 setup is done. Sign up. Okay. You can give a custom as well, but let it be a standard system account. Yes, grant for access to the Windows and applicable administrator can be one users. Yes, we can give yes to this. Permission will give complete system permissions, and click on execute. It will execute all the steps, and it will take some more time to complete execution and installation of all this. Okay. All installation is done. Application applying the configuration. After clicking on this, we need to click on finish. Yes, we need to agree for the configuration of this product. Clicking on next. Okay, installation complete. We can click on finish. Now we will start. installing MySQL server into our local system. MySQL Workbench has been installed. See, this is after downloading it. This window will get open. We already have the connection set up. We can click on that. It will open the root. Will ask for the password. Click on OK. Okay, the database sample database to execute query has been created. For you, if you want to create a new database, you can go to files or click on SQL and you can add the new database as per your convenience. Thanks for watching this video.